If you go to log into your Facebook account and maybe you tried the password a couple times, but it's not working for you and you don't remember what it is, I'm going to show you 3 different places to be able to look for that password and definitely find it. The first one is if you're logged in already, and the second 2 is if you're not logged in already. So the first option, if you are logged in, is just to open up Facebook on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Tap on the menu button at the bottom right, or it might be at the top right for you. Tap on the gear icon at the top right, or scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top. Next, tap on See More in Account Center midway down, and then tap on Password and Security midway down. Tap on Change Password next at the top, and then choose Facebook at the top. You can see it says your current password, and it says updated, in my case, January 2025. This might jog your memory of what that password might be, depending on when you changed it, but it is a security risk to just present what the password is within the Facebook app. So this might help in terms of getting you an idea of what the old one is. And you can always tap on Forgot Password if you really aren't able to get it. But first, let's walk through the other 2 ways to be able to see if it is saved on your device. The first thing that we're going to do is take your finger and swipe down. On here, type in passwords, and then tap on the Passwords app at the top left. You will need to use your Face ID, so let me just use my Face ID to authenticate. And then tap on All at the top left. Tap on Search at the bottom and just search for Facebook. In my case, I can just tap on Facebook here, and it will show me my username, which is just my email address, as well as my password. I can just tap on it to reveal what that password is. This is one option, but let's say you're on an Android device or you don't see that Facebook password in here. That's no problem. Let's check the second location for that password. To be able to do that, let's again hop out of there and swipe down. But instead of the Passwords app, let's type in Chrome or Google Chrome. Tap on the Chrome app at the top left. Let's hit No Thanks here. Tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right. And then at the top, swipe over until you find Password Manager and tap on that. Similar to before, you will need to authenticate, so let me just do that. And I can just tap on Search at the top, and I'm going to again search for Facebook and just tap on facebook.com. Here you'll be able to see all of your saved passwords as well as the username. Again, we're checking both the Passwords app on your iPhone as well as the passwords that are stored or saved in your Google account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.